Zdravo svima, hello guys. Today you will see Popeye and Friends from 1991 with all variants, total of 83 figurines. Okay, we will begin with olives, and we have olives with 8 different items: notepad and stopwatch, medal, spoon or ladle, umbrella, tennis racket, sword, broom and rolling pin, and we have olives in red, green and yellow, and that is total of 24 figurines. All 8 olives have the same head, body, legs and feet, and only the hands and items in hands are different, and every olive has sticker eyes and sticker for color, and only these 2 figurines has additional stickers for items, notepad and stopwatch, and for medal. And this is 2 different types of unused stickers for olive. Then we have Brutus with club, sword, boxing gloves and dumbbell, and we have all of that in 2 different colors, orange and yellow, and Brutus comes in green, blue and red pants, so total of 24 figurines. All Brutus are the same, only items in hands are different, and this is very important. 3 out of 4 items in Popeye and Brutus are the same, only code is different for each item. So Popeye and Brutus has the same dumbbell, but code is different. The same is with sword and the same is with boxing gloves. Popeye and Brutus with totally the same boxing gloves, and here is the code, and Popeye has K92N231 and Brutus has K92N242. So the code is different. As you can see, the sword is totally the same, but the code is different. Popeye has K92N230 and Brutus has K92N243. And the dumbbell is also completely the same, but the code is different. Popeye has K92N229 and Brutus has K92N244. So completely the same, but different code. This is unused Brutus sticker. Then we have Popeye with boxing gloves, dumbbell, tennis racket and sword, and we have all of that in 4 different colors: green, orange, red and yellow, and we have Popeye with spinach can and Popeye's father with torch and rum bottle, total of 19 figurines. Every Popeye is the same, only items in hands are different, and every Popeye has sticker eyes and 3 stickers of buttons, and also Popeye's father has the different color of pants and different color of buttons. Then we have Sweepy, and there is 2 different figurines in 2 different color combination, total of 4 figurines. And for last we have Wimpy with notepad and stopwatch, photo camera, video camera and briefcase, and we have all of that in orange, ochre and yellow. So total of 12 figurines. Every Wimpy is the same except items that he is holding in his hands, and every Wimpy has sticker eyes and sticker of shirt, and depending of items that he is holding, he has additional stickers. For example, this one. There is 11 different papers and 11 more variants. For example, these 2 papers are completely the same, except this paper has additional text and this one doesn't have, so 11 papers like this with additional text and 11 papers like this without additional text. With and without. Also this one is the same like this one, but with additional text. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe and have a nice day.